Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is a top-down tech window valet. It's for C5 Corvettes. I'm selling it and I am going to show you how it works. Pretty simple. You just take it and you plug it into the OBD2 sensor, which is not the OBD2 sensor, the OBD2 connection or port, and it's under the dash, under the steering column. It's hard for me to go upside down and show it to you, so I'm just giving you the general location. I'm going to plug it in. It'll only go in one way because the port has an angle on it. It's not a perfect rectangle. So you take your remote. I use it for two things. I use it to put the windows up and down if I'm parked in a tight location. Pressing the lock button here 3 times like that. And if you want to open the window, 3 times quick. You have to do it quick to lower the window. And also has retained accessory power. So like for up to, I think, about 15 minutes after you get out of the car, you'll be able to retain the power to the accessories like the radio, for example. That's about it. I'm selling this car eventually, so I'm taking some parts off of it, and they are $150 on the manufacturer's website. They're $132 on Amazon, and they're other prices on other locations. I'm going to sell this for $100 shipped. There's no moving parts. They don't wear out. You can see it works. So if you want to save some money, just post a comment down below on my Froggy's Garage channel, or post a comment on the Corvette forum. I'm going to list it on the Corvette forum. So that's it. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye.